Today, I'm going to be talking about how often YNAB pulls transactions. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good topic to cover in a video. Before I get into the specifics of how often YNAB pulls transactions, let me first give a quick overview of what YNAB is. YNAB is a budgeting software that helps you track your income and expenses. It uses a zero-based budgeting approach, which means that you allocate all of your income to different categories, such as housing, food, and transportation. This helps you to stay on track with your budget and avoid overspending. How often does YNAB pull transactions? YNAB pulls transactions from your bank accounts and credit cards on a regular basis. The frequency of these pulls depends on your bank and credit card. Some banks and credit cards update their transactions daily, while others update them weekly or monthly. How can you see your updated transactions in YNAB? Once YNAB has pulled your transactions, you can see them in the Transactions tab. You can also filter your transactions by category, date, or amount. What are the benefits of having YNAB pull transactions automatically? There are a number of benefits to having YNAB pull transactions automatically. First, it saves you time. You don't have to manually enter all of your transactions into YNAB. Second, it helps you to stay on top of your finances. You can see your spending in real time, which makes it easier to make adjustments to your budget if necessary. How can you set up automatic transaction pulls in YNAB? Setting up automatic transaction pulls in YNAB is easy. Simply connect your bank accounts and credit cards to YNAB. Once you've done this, YNAB will start pulling your transactions automatically. Additional tips. You can also set up YNAB to send you notifications when new transactions are posted to your accounts. You can use YNAB's Reports tab to get a visual overview of your finances. You can use YNAB's Goals feature to track your progress towards your financial goals. Thanks for watching.